So you don't film me. Maybe you would have wanted this. You wanted to see me as a real person who I was.
Okay, good. Let's cut to the Oscars now. Let's see the gang that's made the film all sitting around waiting to hear the announcement. Listening to the announcement. Let's get the two hosts up that are announcing the films that are up. So you're announcing. You're trying to be clever with each other and funny, but it doesn't work.
Oh, hey, backstage, I saw that you were kind of swinging a few back, Raymond.
Well, I saw you were swinging a few front, Darlene.
What the hell is this?
I guess that one didn't go over well.
No.
The
Bruce Valanche.
The nominees for Best Short Film are Lady Loves You, A Lady with Bic Razors.
Okay, let's see a clip from that. Lady with Big Razors. Let's see a clip from that film.
Lady loves you.
With big razors. What's wrong with Wayne? A diabetic experience.
Let's see that one.
Eat the fucking cookie! Eat the cookie! What the fuck is wrong with you?
Confused!
Eat the fucking cookie! What have I done to my boy?
Okay, let's come back.
Wally 2, Room to Laughter.
And we weren't. Oh, and so the fifth one, it was great.
The Way We Weren't, the 5-day epic of a man's death.
Yes.
It's
Sometime in
very
that.
strange you are in the short film category.
Let's see the scene. Let's see your scene. This is the clip from the movie. It's a nice, it's a longer scene. Let's see the clip. Oh, don't do it.
Here's a knife. Take the knife. Take the knife.
I love you. I say that every day, though as a robot I cannot feel the emotions it conveys. I have said it every day in the hopes that one day it would be true. That day has not come, so I am ending my life, and in so doing proving that I have emotional awareness. It is an ironic end for me. Also, ironically, I can kill myself by cutting my neck, even though I am a robot.
Okay, good. Let's catch up. You guys applauding. And the winner is them. Is that?
And the
Winner is
Oh, these things.
The Way We Were Not, the 5-day epic of a
So good.
Make this action.
Oh my god!
And the clock is running.
Okay.
I just want to thank. I just want to thank everybody at U of T Women's Studies who set me on the path that got me to this place, and I just want to thank all the kinetic, compelling people who came into the room and gave us the idea and
I want to thank all the people of China. 光金同大金教，金山镇，东天宫，金湾灯口，西肯定，深中饭，西古湾，温金古国片，金能量，中中金，中光片，天天金黑麻麻的。
Okay, let's go back to the wife's house. She's sitting there with a prostitute, and they're watching the Oscars on television.